Lately, I felt like I've been molting my skin like a snake, like shedding my skin. Because I've been feeling scaly. I'm talking scale accessories from Make It RC, talking 24 scale RC garage accessories.
Welcome to CK4RC.
Well, let's go ahead and see some of the stuff we got. First up, decal sheet. That's always a nice touch. Make It RC coming through with all kinds of scale with their stickers. That's a great decal sheet to be tossed in. I love it. So over here, I've got pieces to make a shop stool, and then I ordered a couple of these. The reason why I went all out with the Make It RC scale garage accessories is because I haven't had the best luck finding 18 and 24 scale garage accessories. At least not ones that don't cost a fortune. And I don't have my own 3D printer. There's tons of 10th scale accessories. And then there's also like Bananarama. Anyway, there's tons of diorama accessories, however you want to say it, I don't care. But those tend to get a little pricey. And so Make It RC, they have a ton of quality 24 scale garage accessories. And so I was excited about that. Now, let me point out that on their website, it could be a little misleading that the pictures they have shown of their products are computer rendered graphics. So they're colored in, they're smooth edges, like they just look really nice. And then you scroll through the pictures and you see like the actual prints like this. And they do make it clear on the website. They're not trying to trick people or anything else. But if you're just taking a quick glance, it looks like one thing and then it shows up this way, just raw printed products, which totally fine. But just be aware. That way, if you get it, you're not like, what's going on? This isn't what I ordered. Yeah, it is. So anyway, I've got a nice little stool here. And then what I'm going to do is I've got my Sharpies and paint and stuff like that. I went ahead and I put one together. And I just used Sharpie for this one. And look, there's my scale stool, my garage work stool. And so I'll do the same thing with this one. I got that. And I went ahead and I got a couple 55-gallon oil drums and just a tiny little dot or a couple little dots of silver on top just to make kind of the spouts on the lid pop a little bit. Gives that a nice touch of color. I've got some tiny little oil pans that I'll lay around the garage a little bit. I've got some shelves because shelves are always good. Here's a couple, or maybe just one. I don't even remember what this is, to be honest with you. I think this might be like a wheelie tray kind of thing to roll around and put stuff on. I went ahead, I got a couple tool boxes so I can color these in and make these whatever color I want to be. If I want to go red and black for Craftsman, if I want to go blue, kind of cobalt look, whatever. Here is an engine stand. I can color that up and put that together. I've got another shelf. I've got some 5-gallon buckets. I might go with some blues and some reds just to change that up and throw those on some shelves. And then I've got some fire extinguishers and exit signs. The exit signs, I don't know why they come printed in black. It would be better if they came printed in white, and I could just put just a really thin layer of red for the exit and make that look real nice. So I'm not sure why that's black when most of this other stuff is white. So yeah, but I mean, that's all it takes though. And just some really simple, quick touches. Put some of this stuff together, and some of it, you don't have to do anything like that. I just open that up and those are ready to go. So it doesn't take much, but now my 24 scale garage is going to come. It's going to come along nicely, So just wanted to show off a little bit of the scale accessories that are out there in the world. especially for us mini guys. Just see some of the options. These are coming from Make It RC. This is not a paid endorsement. This is not a sponsorship. This is just some stuff that I picked up that I thought would be worth showing. So Make It RC, nice job, well done, keep it up. Yeah, and let me know. Do you print your own stuff? Have you picked up some of the diorama accessories? Have you used your own printed designs? What do you use to spruce up your garage? Let me know. Leave me a comment down below. Hit that quadfecta. Like, subscribe, comment, share. Keep doing RC stuff, and I will see you next time.